Hey, Buildspacians, Farzananians, and you know, everybody that misses season 5, it's Alan, and I finally got my demo done. Remember everything AI from one service that remembers me like a friend? Well, I've actually done a little better than that, and it's almost ready for a paywall, which will be coming this Monday. Now, you say, wait a minute, Alan, season 5 is over, week 5 is over. We didn't even get week 3 from you. Well, that's all right because I borrowed a car from a friend of mine and he insures me as long as I bring it right back that I can get anything done I want. So, anyways, as you can see, image generation is one of the features that now works in the system, as does internet search, works with any model in the Mira AI system. Any model in the AI system, in the Mira system, has access to the internet, has access to generate images in line and to search. Here's one with Claude. There, I just searched for what was fun to do in San Francisco. If you didn't read that, the top 5 things for the weekend on the internet. Here, I asked Claude to search Bing for poems about cats and to bring me one, and it brought me a. And I demonstrated a 2-step system here, where I told it to search the internet, and then asked it something about that where it redoes the search for the internet. Here's a Bing search with OpenAI. See here, I asked GPT to search Bing for the most interesting news item, and it brings all this great and interesting stuff back, right? Okay, and this is just a demo of it working. But some of you are like, what the hell is all of this? Okay, let's start from scratch. All right, this is a chat system that allows you to use all AI services in one place, remembers you like a best friend, and has access to the most modern tools and models. Now, let me show you mine. This is, of course, my model system here. And as you see, I have Google, Anthropic, Mistral, Grok, Perplexity, Fireworks, Together AI. There's Cohere, Azure OpenAI, Open Router, and many others are available. Over 120 models are available in the Pro version. Now, here in the basic version, you get our custom tuned ones for free, Anthropic, Grok, Fireworks, and Azure, and we're adding more as we go. So you come over here to quick settings, right? You want to talk to Grok, you want to talk to OpenAI, you want to talk to Fireworks, you want to talk to Claude, you want to generate an image, and yes, even if you want to search the internet. And most all the models search the internet. I'm still working on that, so GPT-4o is the best, but Claude also works very good on it. Grok sometimes has trouble with the tools, but we're working out this interoperability. As most of you know, I like things a little upbeat, and so I started off with the BFF system prompts, right? And you see the memory working here because it knows that I like interesting facts about the day. So when I first talk to it, it usually brings back an interesting fact about today's dates. But not only that, the system has always allowed you to upload and search against files. See, here's a project file for CIS Robotics 323, and I asked it to look through the document and give me some ideas, and it vectorizes the documents, of course, as you upload them. Now, this lighter mode, of course, is the test model that I use to see things as other people do. So there's only one tool. Of course, if you come into mine where I've built many tools, we'll go over that another time in a longer video, and I will instruct you on how you can make your own tools, including this internet search tool, which is available right now on GitHub to put in from the toolbox for free and test in the system. And you can use that, of course, to search the internet, using your assistants or your myriad of assistants that are tied together, giving them more access to things that are going on. So you see here, I asked it to do some, and this is why I like the BFF mode, because it's a lot nicer. And you can click on any of the links to get more information for the search that I asked for, or you can type, give me more information, and it'll do further searches. This is designed to be lightweight. There's more in-depth scraping available, but of course I don't want to make that available for free because somebody will screw it up, right? But each one of these searches something on the internet and brings it back. And so that's a feature that is now available. And of course, a new feature that's also available is the image generation inline. And this was the first image. So this is the Buildspace monkey guy, because this is the first image that was generated on this system. Now, of course, this is what it looks like when you log in for free and you get these models. But you can add whatever you want on your user down here under profile settings. If you want to put in your own API keys, go ahead. I've added some for free. And Monday, the paywall goes up. So please don't go and sign up this weekend. Wait until I finish debugging it and sign up Monday when there's a $20 paywall. Please do not sign up this weekend, because then you'll get it for free for 30 days and you won't have helped me test it. So that just wouldn't be fair, right? So wait till Monday, pay the $20. And this is to demonstrate some of the further uses of this. Here's one that it was called the Brand Builder. And you can talk to this assistant and it will help you build a brand for your startup. All of these come from our sponsors, one of which is Anthropic. And instead of having to use their code and copy their code in, my system allows you just to simply copy in the system prompt, and it does all of the heavy lifting for you. Let's find another one real quick here. The available ingredients one. Oh, that's one of my favorites. Okay, so here's what you do is you type in what you have in the fridge, right? Or whatever you have ingredients, and there's further programs to help keep track of that as well, so you don't have to type it in each time. And it gives you a list of recipes that you can use to make with those ingredients. I really love this one. There's lots of different models and uses and tools that I will create videos and teach you how to use. But the most important thing is the demo for season 5 is ready for anybody that's still listening to this long thing. And it does everything, including remember who you are, search the internet, and make images, as well as all the text chatting with all the major models that your little heart could ever desire at one little click. All right, thanks. This is Alan with the season 5, week 5 update. And I'm going to get in my little car and I'm going to go back to the future and finish the season 3 update now. Oh, let's do the sponsors. Anthropic, Superbase, Fireworks, Microsoft's for Startups is paid for a lot. Multion, Mem0, which does the memory for the back end, Together AI, which gives us a lot of our service, and Mongo, which is where we do our advanced vector searches, but mostly Grok, who gives us the funniest models we could use. Okay, thanks, guys.